Let's compare the online Virtual Kashaka with the real thing.
First up, we're going to take a look at the Virtual Kashaka shaker. What we've got here is the two gourd balls. They're connected with this rope. If we just click on one of the balls, it will play a sound. So that's like a clacking tone. Another clacking tone. Shake, shake. We've actually got 3 clacking tones, which is quite interesting. It doesn't matter which one you actually press, it plays the same sounds. This may be changed later, but for now, this is how it is. The 3 clacking tones is not typical of playing the Kashaka because you would actually have 2 clacking tones when the ball bashes together, when it bashes together again, and that's your 1, 2, and then the shake, shake. So it's slightly different. We get an authentic sound and we get to experience it in a simple way.
Now, this is a real Kashaka shaker. This one was handcrafted in West Africa. And instantly, when you hold it in your hand, you feel the natural organic texture on the surface of it. And that's part of the real experience of playing the percussion instrument. And when we fling it over our hand, and we hear that, and we have the control over how much power we put behind that throw, and even the catching it, we get our coordination involved. So actually, playing the virtual instrument is cool because we get to hear how the sound is, we get a little glimpse of an animation showing a movement, but we don't get the coordination and we don't even get the balance, because there's a kind of balance involved in actually playing the instrument, and then obviously we can adjust the sound in a completely different way using power, using our natural body movements instead of just turning up the volume. So really we get a lot more dynamics and control with the real instrument. Now, if you want to try the virtual instrument, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. But if you want to know which Kashaka shaker is right for you, then I'd highly recommend clicking on this video on screen now.